You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Up bright and early this morning in the alien slime lab. Oh man, is LPS-Dave going to be surprised when I got this all set up and all committed to memory. Let's see. Checking the parts here. Glow-in-the-dark slime powder. Got it. Petri dish. Check. Water. Check. All right. Step number 1. Place the large test tube into the holder in the base station. Make sure the station is low. Check. Step number 2. Fill the test tube with 75 ml of water. To measure this, you can use the small test tube or the syringe. Go into my brain, Butch. Commit that to memory. Got it. Okay. Step number 3. Let's see. Cut open the packets of slime powder and reflective... scissors. Note to self. Remind LPS-Dave to be careful. Committed to memory. Check. Okay, number 4. Pour the contents of both packets slowly into the tube and avoid creating airborne...
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Butch and I are going to revisit our Ooze Labs Alien Slime Lab. Exciting?
I think so, LPS-Dave. I had the strangest dream last night.
Okay.
How are you this morning, by the way?
Well,
I gotta tell you, I had a great sleep. That dream, I don't know what it was about. It was strange. Something about alien slime. Anyway, how are you?
Okay, I am doing just dandy, thank you.
Huh.
Thank
What do you
you
think
for
of the
letting me...
setup here, LPS-Dave?
This is great.
What is this again?
This is the Alien Slime Lab. All right,
Brand new. Is this a vendor item, LPS-Dave? Have we done this before?
Yes, we have. All right, so it's good to see you're, going over the things before we start. All right, what experiment are we doing?
What experiment are we doing?
Yeah, the booklet. It's right in front of you. What's the next experiment?
Oh, the next one, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, go ahead. Shoot.
We're doing the next one from the last one that we did. The next one.
That would be the order. Yeah, go ahead. Next. What did we do?
It's the slime brain.
No. I got it right here. Glow-in-the-dark slime powder. Now, I asked you to review this.
Right.
Sink this into your memory.
Memorized, LPS-Dave. Locked away in the vault.
All right, so what do I do?
Grab these directions and read away, LPS-Dave.
Okay, I think that's a really good idea. All right, so I'm glad you've been reviewing, and okay.
I am ready to go, LPS-Dave.
Alien reflect. Glow-in-the-dark slime powder, alien reflective particles, spatula, large test tube, lid, base, station, alien head stamp, tweezers, petri dish, scissors, and water.
Do we have all that? Do we have
water?
Water. Oh, water.
Oh, yeah, water.
Okay.
And the scissors.
Scissors. Yep, cut away, LPS-Dave. Chop away.
Okay, all right.
Violently cut away with those things.
I'm glad I
LPS-Dave.
prepped this morning because I had a feeling, you just weren't on for some reason. I don't know what's going on. All right, place the large test tube in the holder. Check.
Nice. Who's done all this prep? This is crazy.
Make sure you're on a level surface. Check.
Level surface.
That's as level as you're going to get.
You're checking away there, LPS.
Fill the test tube with 75 ml of water. To measure this, you can use the small test tube or the syringe. Now, we've used the syringe before, so let's do that. So 75 ml, so it's 3 of these. Here we go. Let's get this out of here. That was just a reference.
Feels so vaguely, strangely familiar, LPS-Dave.
What's that?
This dream I had was so weird. I was reading.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't know what you're doing. You weren't studying your... this is like this is like what you're supposed to do.
Slept like a baby, LPS-Dave.
Oh, that's good.
I cried and I got up every 2 hours to eat.
There's 25 plus 25.
That's 42, LPS-Dave.
No,
42 ml.
No. I think it's time for you to see Doctor. Something's going on.
Oh.
Maybe, I've got my lab all set. Maybe I'll have to run some tests on you. Okay, that's 75 milliliters of water to measure. Okay, cut open the packets of slime powder and reflective alien particles. Reflective alien. I wonder if this is alien reflective particles.
How about that?
That's pretty cool.
Also known as glitter.
And then there is the slime powder. So
you got your scissors, LPS-Dave?
Grabbing my
cut away, LPS-Dave.
scissors.
Chop. Chop. Cut it into shreds, LPS-Dave.
I'm waiting.
I mentioned that dream.
You're supposed to say something, every time I use
scissors.
Yeah.
Check.
Okay. Oh no!
Oh, don't do that, LPS-Dave. That
okay.
was silly. You cut yourself.
Whatever. Okay. Okay, fill the test tube. Okay, cut open the packets of slime powder. Okay, pour the contents of both packets slowly into the tube. All right.
The strange says that something's missing.
Yeah, something is missing. Is right.
So odd.
Well, this one is not gonna be that easy. Yeah, it's really
glittery.
There's as slow as I'm gonna get with pouring glitter out of a staticky bag.
LPS-Dave.
Yeah, I think. There we go. Pour in both contents. Okay. It'd be nice if you were kind of reading up on this ahead of me here.
You are the assistant.
Stir the test tube contents with the spatula.
And you say we've done some of these before.
Yeah. Close the test tube with the lid and shake it for 30 seconds. All right, get your timer going.
Oh, can I count instead? Can I be the canine counter?
Yeah.
Canine timer.
You do that. Go ahead.
Start shaking.
Yeah, let me just get these particles off here.
Look at that. That's fancy right there. Can I have the stick with that?
See that, everybody? How cool that looks?
Wow.
Okay, there we go. Lid is on.
It's embarrassing when you do that with the butter knife at the dinner table.
All right, here we go. And go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So you don't say like pineapple
6,
or coconut?
7, 8, 9.
Nothing like,
10,
okay, 1
11,
pineapple, 2
12,
pineapple, 3
13,
pineapple, 5
14,
pineapple, 8
15,
nothing like that?
16,
1 coconut, 2
17,
coconut, 3 coconut,
18,
nothing like that?
19,
All right.
20, 21, 22,
Wow, you're pretty...
23, 24,
I'm gonna
25,
count.
26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay, let that sit
30. Perfectly synchronized, LPS-Dave. You can't throw me off my game. It's
for
impossible.
3 minutos. Okay.
Should I count?
Then it says get your timer set for 3 minutes.
I'll be right back.
And then slowly pour the slime solution into the center of the alien mold in the base station. Give the solution time to flow out in the tentacles. Continue on the next page. All right, we will be back in about 2 minutes because I've been talking for a minute.
3 minutes, LPS-Dave.
Okay, we'll be right back. It should be 2 minutes. All right, what are you doing?
Best view, LPS-Dave. Best view in the house. Just happen to be able to lie down while I'm looking.
All right, since I'm reading the directions myself, it says, continued from the previous page. So we got to pour this liquid into this spot, and then we're going to use this stamp. So let's just see. It says, slowly pour the solution in the center of the alien mold in the base station.
Anyone ever told you your voice is very soothing, LPS-Dave?
Maybe 1,000 times on video. Ooh, look at that. There's a little extra. I'll tell you what, while he's sleeping, I'm gonna pour it in the. Gonna pour it in here just to have it.
Step number 3, pour into the mold.
Okay, there we go. All right, so then it's slowly continue on the next page.
Careful with the scissors.
Continued from the previous page. Stamp the alien stamp. I don't think it's hard enough yet, but. Remove the slime alien shape from the mold with the tweezers. So they want this there, but I don't think it's ready. So I'm going to give this a second here. But this is going to go here and create a little alien head shape. So
got all the parts, tweezers.
We'll be back in just. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay. Once that sets up, we'll be back. All right, Senor Butch. It looks like it is close.
Hey, LPS-Dave, I figured out what I was trying to remember.
What?
You need googly eyes for this experiment. That's what I was supposed to remember, LPS-Dave. Man, I'm glad I got it.
You see these eyes, Butch?
Yes! I got them. I remembered.
It's these eyes, the little tiny eyes.
Oh.
Okay, so now I am supposed... It seems like it's starting to set up. Okay. So now I need to stamp in a shape. Now, you know we had issues with the stamping of the shapes previously, so let's just see if the stamping works. Okay, so that looks like it's working, huh? Let's see if it yanks it all out.
Sticky.
Oh, so that worked. Everybody want a nice little close-up of my eyeball placement.
Face and his eyeballs.
Okay, so where were we? Butch. Okay,
well, I did my job now, LPS-Dave. My job is finished.
Oh, actually,
everything that I prepared for.
Want me to extract that and put that in the petri dish.
Oh boy. Oh, boy.
Okay, so that does not
It's going to overlap a little bit.
It's not going to fit. Let me grab a little plate. Keep everybody entertained there while I go through the plates.
Whew. Well, I'm just thankful, LPS. I got to say, I'm thankful that my memory came back and I remembered everything I was supposed to remember. And wow, thought I was losing it there for a minute, but
Got it.
nothing that a good nap wouldn't help.
Found it.
You okay back there, LPS, Dave?
Yeah, found what
You
I
got a
wanted
big enough
to
plate?
find.
Got a big enough Petri dish?
Yeah, I decided I'm going to use just a little.
It's a culinary petri dish right there, LPS.
Well, let's get it out. Now take the tweezers. Let's do this extraction first here. Ooh, it looks like
sticky.
Yeah, it is, but it's somewhat holding its shape.
And it appears, this is fascinating, LPS Dave. My scientific observation is that the glittery, shiny stuff stayed on the surface. Everything else sunk.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get this out. So
That's going to be tricky.
It's going to be rightly
You might
so.
need a second or third or fourth set of hands like this
Tricky.
thing. This alien might be able to help you.
But I tell you what, I'm going to throw some eyeballs in. Just while it's there.
Show off. Couldn't use my eyeballs.
No, definitely not. It says use the tweezers to place the eyes. Ooh, there's one.
I see.
Can everybody see his eyes?
Well, he can see now.
Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Do 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 do.
Wow.
Do, 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 do. All right, I'm gonna use.
I can see clearly now. I have eyeballs. That's his theme song. How in the world do you ever get that out of there, LPS?
We're gonna try.
It is definitely tricky and sticky.
Well, maybe just go for it, huh?
Oh boy. Whatever you do, do not break one of his tentacles off, because he will not be happy.
I got to get into the body of him. Okay. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Let's just extract him. Now I followed those directions, and you were definitely on your game with this
Thank you, LPS Dave.
experiment here.
So glad I remembered what I was supposed to remember. It's good when you can lock something away in your memory and just have it set there, LPS Dave, just like those eyeballs.
There we go.
Perfect.
There we go.
It looks just like the picture.
Does it really? You're just kidding me, right?
Well, I mean, it's a kind of a globbier version of the picture.
Okay, not placing blame on anybody. I don't know.
I sense a butt coming on here, LPS Dave.
There's his eyes. Ooh, there looks like a
A
squid.
good-looking young man.
Looks like a squid. All right, well, let's see now. What's happening?
What's the name of this experiment again? LPS
Does
Dave?
not work experiment. A little less water, a little bit better.
Squid eyeball experiment.
By pouring the slime solution into the mold before it had completely solidified, you were able to mold the alien shape out of slime. Look how beautiful their shape is. I mean, it's perfect.
Just like ours.
You will need googly eyes, slime alien, and tweezers. Got it? Carefully pick up a googly eye with the tweezers, and okay, did all that.
Check.
What's happening? Scientists use tweezers, which they often call forceps, to perform delicate operations when human fingers are not small or nimble enough.
Yes.
Remember when you had that little thorn in your paw?
Oh my gosh, it was painful.
It was
LPS
there for
Dave.
3 weeks, and you had to call Dr. Pimple
Terrible.
Popper. Yeah. Oh, that was terrible.
Oh my goodness, the stuff that grew around that, it was horrible.
Okay, all right. Sparkling and glowing alien. You will need glowing alien, flashlight, darkened room.
Really? We're going to do the glowing alien squid?
Yeah, look at that. That looks scary.
Oh my goodness, what's going on
Just
there?
covered in fluorescent paint or something.
Why in the world would that happen? Is that part of the experiment?
Turn on a flashlight, aim at the glowing sign, move with a flashlight, and the alien. What do you notice about the reflective alien particles have been in the slime? Now darken the room as much as possible. Observe the alien. What do you notice? I think after this, though, there's more. Dissecting the alien.
Oh boy.
They show
You
a
seem to
little
have already done
frog,
that.
yeah. All right, well, I'll tell you what. Let's come back with the black light, and we will see how it glows.
Uh-huh.
Well, Butch, what do you think about that alien?
That right there is the craziest
Or that alien?
Ah,
I think that's a pretty cool looking
that's
alien.
pretty nice, LPS Dave. I knew that was what I needed to remember.
All right, so I have a light off to the side. Now I'm going to turn this light off and charge this up and see how... Oh, it is charging on its own. Let's just let it charge. Let it charge. It's losing its shape. Looks like a squid now.
It's definitely getting blobby, LPS Dave.
Ooh, camera, focus. I do like the glitter. Doesn't that look cool?
The glitter's cool, and the little eyeball that's slinking down the side of this guy is very nice.
All right. Now, I was wondering about that other slime. Let me turn on that light again. Okay, focus, focus. I was wondering if these original... Oh,
Whoa, that's bright.
that looks cool. And then this one, not so much.
Not so much.
So that glowing slime is pretty cool. All right, so while we're here, let's leave the eyeballs there. It kind of adds a little... Let's do this dissecting part. Almost wrap up. I think we got one more slime and set of experiments. Okay, alien dissection. Here's how. Place the slime alien on the flat surface of the rolling pin area. We're going to leave it here. On the base station with the scalpel. Practice cutting through the alien.
That's disgusting, LPS-Dave. Seems cruel and unusual to me.
Well, you know, science can be cruel and unusual. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I guess if it's for science, then we have to do it.
There
Just
is.
cut off one of his arms, LPS-Dave.
I don't think he has an arm. Let's cut off his tail.
Cut off his tail. How
There
about
we
that? His manatee flipper.
Slice, slice. Ooh, look at that. Now grab the tweezers, because all scientists use tweezers.
Yes.
Picking. Oh,
Forceps.
Oh boy.
Oh, he's definitely stretchy.
Oh boy. Let's do this here. Cut this here.
Aha.
Let's connect it here. Okay.
Now we're talking.
Let's take this here and connect it there. Okay.
I see.
We can rebuild.
Some type of a monkey I see.
We
LPS-Dave.
can.
Maybe a bird. I'm not
Let's
sure.
just take this over here. Take off a little section there. Slime it out like that. Connect. Like that. And then let's cut off another piece here.
We have the technology, LPS-Dave.
We
You can rebuild him.
Rebuild him, yes. Let's put that there. Okay.
Wow.
So it's a happy frog dancing wee 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 all the way home.
Oh, what a good soldier, being dissected and being so happy still.
All right, so overall, I would say this one was a less water. So parents, if you are doing this one, less water to get the slime to be a little bit harder and easier to work with, right?
And don't forget the googly eyes.
Yes, don't forget
Most
the
important.
giant googly eyes. And then the last set of experiments, it looks like we're almost done, and we'll have a wrap up. Hypercolor alien, so we'll see what that's all about. We finished that. And I just want to thank you, Butch, for being so well prepared for this video.
LPS-Dave, I thought I was losing the old mind there for a minute, and glad I remembered what I was supposed to remember. It's a relief.
Thanks,
This is a
Butch.
fun day, LPS-Dave. Good job today.
And thanks, everybody, for watching. We truly appreciate it. Later.
Bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.